Guys, back with another video, and I'm doing a weird little video, hold on, just gonna be right, okay, back, so I was just getting this obviously looks way better and stuff, but the thing is, the trigger, it's kind of loose. And this thing doesn't always cock back. And then you have to, doesn't always click. So, got a new one. I don't know why. But anyways, so, I don't really use these. I just do this in my spare time when I'm not playing Fortnite. But anyways, we got this whole set.
Oh, great.
Of cowboy stuff. Plastic, of course. This holds it. This is for like people that come over, I think. I don't know. I just play with it occasionally. But it goes pretty good in it.
Hey guys. Would you guys
I honestly don't know how to put it on. This is just hard to put on. I haven't put it on yet. I'll try.
I mean
it's just like stuck
I do not
in
like
there.
the Suppressed AR's bloom like whatsoever. It's terrible. I can never hit a shot with it. Plus the blue AR to 33.
Yeah, no. But anyways, there's that. But this is the comparison. This thing is a lot more smaller, silverish. Doesn't always click. So the new one, a lot more plasticky stuff. It still has designs on it, but you can shoot it really fast, and it actually is pretty good. And then
you love it when you're not HP and you kill someone. You know,
it doesn't even make a noise though. You don't even have to pull it back. Like, you just jab it. But, yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Peace out. Bye.